Mr. Ambassador, you've already mentioned the Italian industrial district near Brest, which can serve Belarusian specialists as an example in creating similar economic zones. But what are the prospects for our regional cooperation and the cooperation between Italy and Belarus in general?
I believe that Italian industrial district near Brest has great perspectives, mainly because this region serves as a logistical center for Italian products, which would later be imported to the markets of other countries. And if both foreign and domestic economic conditions are favorable, then this industrial district will reach a peak of its development soon. Speaking about regional cooperation between Italy and Belarus in general, we can say that it has started more than 20 years ago. Italian regions and cities have signed numerous agreements with Belarusian regions and cities. Our interregional cooperation dates back to humanitarian cooperation, which is based on the principles of solidarity and friendship. More than 10 years ago, the Italian region of Piedmont signed a cooperation agreement with Gamel region of Belarus. Moreover, in 2013, the autonomous region of Sardinia became a partner of Minsk region. Sardinia is also Belarus partner on the state level. The negotiations are now underway between the Minsk region and the Veneto region, and we hope that they will be fruitful. The cooperation between the autonomous region of Sardinia and Belarus is a bright example of how interregional cooperation should develop. This cooperation started in 2001, after the creation of Sardinia and Belarus NGO, which deals with rehabilitation of Belarusian children on the Sardinia island. A few years later, this NGO became a platform for a number of bilateral projects, one of which is recreation of Italian children in Belarus. All these contribute to further strengthening of bilateral contacts between our countries. The most prominent joint project of Sardinia and Belarus is the Sardinia Global Educational Center, which features cooperation at the ministerial level and deals with training Belarusian specialists in Italy, organizing international seminars, and teaching Italian language. The Embassy of Italy in Minsk hopes that Sardinia Global is just the beginning of a number of joint projects within Italian and Belarusian regions, including in the sphere of education.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Dear friends, I remind you that today we've discussed Italy's priorities during its chairmanship in the European Union and Italian-Belarusian relations with Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Italy to Belarus, Stefano Bianchi. That's all for today. Goodbye and stay tuned to Radio Belarus.
You're listening.